Hey friends, if you encounter the SSL certificate error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the real problem, and I'll tell you this will fix the problem in 90% of the cases. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time. Turn all these three switches on and click on sync. Now you can change it later, but for the time being, just sync the time to the latest time according to your region and make sure that you get a tick mark here. Now the SSL certificate will be able to sync. And here's one more thing that you have to do at the computer level. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. So if this doesn't work either, then it is an issue with the website. Then try checking it on a different website. Okay, but this should be the solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.